Okay guys, so first what you want to do is make sure you have a big enough pan to fit the amount of steak that you're trying to make. I have 2 big pieces here just because I'm trying to make enough for us to have for leftovers tomorrow so that I do not have to cook again. So depending on how much you want to make, just make sure you have a big enough pan for that. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and start seasoning. Right here I have some Montreal seasoning that I'm going to use. I'm going to sprinkle that very, very generously because I want it to taste really, really good and really seasoned. Okay, next I'm going to go in with some ground black pepper. Okay, right here I have some garlic powder. And guys, you can add or take away whatever seasonings you want, honestly. This is just what I like to use on my steak. And then what I'm going to do is add just a little bit of salt. Just a little bit. That's it. Give this. I'm going to work that all in. Just like that. And then I'm going to turn these over and do the other side. So I have that all turned over. I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. Montreal seasoning. Ground black pepper. And garlic powder. Rub that in. So next what I have here is a whole stick of butter that I just chopped up into little cubes, and I'm going to place that all around our steak. And what that is going to do is melt down and make a nice little gravy with the steak. So I'm just going to place that all over both of them, and then that's going to melt down. Okay. Just like that. So here I have our veggies, our green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and an onion that I chopped up. And I'm going to just put that in there and distribute that evenly. And you can add as little or as much pepper and onion, or you know, whatever as you want. I'm not going to put that much because my kids are not big fans of it. So I'm not going to put that much, just enough to get the job done. And then the last thing I'm going to do before we cover this is drizzle just a little bit. I have some canola oil. You can use vegetable oil. You can use whatever oil you prefer. I'm just going to drizzle it all over just a little bit, not too much. This also helps with the gravy. Just like that. Now I have my foil here. I'm just going to cover this tightly and throw it into the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes on 350. Okay, so after I ended up leaving it in for a little while longer. I ended up leaving it in for about an hour because it wasn't done to how I would like it. But now it is, and this is how it looks. And you see I added the oil and the butter for just that little bit of gravy in the bottom of the pan. And that's exactly how I like it. So if you guys watched this video, if you guys enjoyed this video, if you tried this recipe out, let me know down in the comments. Please like, please share, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.